city. There's a strike going on in this region, so everything is closed, and even the roads are closed because there's like a protest march somewhere. So Ruud is just talking to some officials about our next move. Alright, seems like we have to go this way.
It turned out that everything doing a strike is shut down, and it's mandatory to stay home, not work, not travel, unless it's utmost necessary. The very few places we saw on the way that was open only had a small selection of snacks and fruits and other. After stocking up on a few necessities, chips, water, and bananas, we decided to continue. We were told to keep a low profile if we got pulled over at a roadblock. Shouldn't be a problem since we were travelers passing through. But if we just nodded and folded our hands and gave it a few minutes, we should be okay. And so we did. We met a guy who had just purchased his first Royal Enfield. It seems like that's every young boy's dream in this country. Once they turn 18, they want to buy their first Royal Enfield. He was eager to ride with us, so he took us to a hillside nearby with a local temple to show us the view and sing us a song. Yeah, this is quite something. Wow. I've probably never seen anything this green in my life.
Atindo tenedindo tagade yadinando tanadindo tindindo tagade yadinando atindo tindindo tagade yadinando tanadindo tindindo tagade yadinando കേട്ടാലും കേക്കണം മകനെ പൊന്നു മകനെ പാണ്ടിമേലച്ചനും ഒരു കളരി പണുതേ ഒറ്റത്തൂണേലൊരു കളരി പണുതേ അമ്പത്തിരടി നെടും കളരി പണുതേ കേട്ടാലും കേക്കണം മകനെ പൊന്നു മകനെ പാണ്ടിമേലച്ചനും ഒരു കളരി പണുതേ ഒറ്റത്തൂണേലൊരു കളരി പണുതേ അമ്പത്തിരടി നെടും കളരി പണുതേ Atindo tenedindo tagade yadinando tanadindo tindindo tagade yadinando atindo tindindo tagade yadinando tanadindo tindindo tagade yadinando അമ്മയുടെ അനുവാദം അവൻ ചോദിക്കണുണ്ടേ വിളിക്കാത്ത കളരി ഞാനൊന്നു പോയി വരട്ടോ അത് താനെ കേട്ടൊരു പെണ്ണ് പാലുവം പെണ്ണ് ഞാനൂടെ പോകട്ടെ അമ്മയെ ചെങ്ങന്നൂരമ്മേ അമ്മയുടെ അനുവാദം അവൻ ചോദിക്കണുണ്ട് വിളിക്കാത്ത കളരി ഞാനൊന്നു പോയി വരട്ടോ അത് താനെ കേട്ടൊരു പെണ്ണ് പാലുവം പെണ്ണ് ഞാനൂടെ പോകട്ടെ അമ്മയെ ചെങ്ങന്നൂരമ്മേ
finally makes sense that people throw plastic bottles on the ground so you can actually put it on your side stand. Look at this. Genius. Dang.
Those are so stunning.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's so good.
But I was feeling so sleepy.
After a short tea break, we continued, but it wasn't long before we had to stop at another roadblock. The only good thing for us about these blocks was that it kept the road clear, and that's a very rare thing in India. Clear roads. So we just enjoyed it.
Look at this. Really nice, huh? That's good.
On the top of the stairs, no reason to be shy. It hasn't been that long. Come, hold your breath now, for this moment has gone. Close your eyes and remember there was God. Take it slow and surrender to her. And then we kissed. As a raindrop fell on both our lips, touched by her falling mist, grazed by her lips. Is where we found each other, no longer concealed. 1,000 times before, it was stood like this. Skin to
These roads and views are absolutely stunning. Tons of twists and turns.
only yesterday.
Thousands of square feet of tea plantations leading us into the mountains, heading for our final destination of the day, our campsite.
But it's just
But when you're riding in the mountains, the weather can change rapidly. And so it did.
Yeah. Oh shit. Find shelter. Shelter! Look at this. Everyone. Holy cow. Woo-hoo! Oh! Alright, this is crazy! Wow! It's a just coming in like really, really fast. You can just see the weather changing like boom. Oh my god. And this is the campsite. Is this the campsite? No, this is not the campsite. Thunder! Shit! Rule number 1. Don't be on a hill when there's thunder involved. What an amazing place!
What an amazing place.
Woo!
Look at this. Guys, holy moly, I'm gonna unload my bike.
I have a feeling that when we wake up or when it clears up, it's going to be magical.
Weather is slightly better. Have you spotted your entrance first?
No, that's where we're looking for.
Okay, so why don't you... Here, there's a zip over here. Why is there a zip over here? This must be the entrance.
I mean, it's gonna... Like this?
Yeah.
Is it as a...
So...
No, this one. So we're at the campsite on the top of a mountain. We just reached in this.
There are rocks everywhere. These two guys took all the good places.
You rock.
I rock. Yeah.
Finally lying down in a tent on the top of a mountain. It's just something else. Thunderstorms, and right now it's quiet. But it's been challenging. But it's nice and cozy in here, and there are some people, I don't know, in a car somewhere playing really loud music. And I can't wait to wake up because it's an amazing place. But this day's been unreal, really. Epic ride and just beautiful scenery, and now I'm here with good friends. In the middle of India, not in the middle, in the south of India. In the middle of nowhere, basically. On the top of a mountain. Yeah. It's good.
During the night, the weather had cleared, and waking up that morning was something very special.
They are the private drivers of globalization. They produce the goods, they produce the services, and they have enormous power
This
in that.
is where the journey
They can
begins.
decide what you eat, what you drink, what you wear, and so on. So they're too powerful as private drivers of economic activity. But the other way that they're exercising more and more power, and I would say a lot of our citizen activism has caught on to this, is that corporations have increasingly hijacked the agendas of governments and public